Syngonium plant is the most beginners friendly plant. You can just plant it and forget about it and it will continue growing. Syngonium plant also have a lot of varieties with all having a unique style and beauty. So in this video we will see some key care tips for Syngonium plants. Understanding these will make your plants even more growing. So let's begin and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in Syngonium plant care guide is its season of growth. Syngonium is a hardy plant, but in its off season it stops growing and show yellow leaves, which is natural, but you have to know this in order not to worry. So the growing season of Syngonium plant starts at the start of springs and continues all over the summers. It's a summer's plant. Winter season isn't suitable for its growth. Stunted growth, yellowing and dropping of its leaves is totally natural in winters. Just move the plant in a shade or maybe indoors for the winter days. Overall, it's a summer's plant. You can buy it in springs and it will grow all springs and summers. Another most important thing in Syngonium plant care is the ideal spot. Syngonium likes a warm and bright area to grow fast and healthily. Think of it as pothos. Syngonium is also native to a rainforest environment. It grows really well if the area is a little moist, very bright and warm, but not sunny. Direct sunlight is not so good. A small amount of direct sunlight may be okay, but direct sunlight of ours is surely not suitable for Syngonium. Choose a spot with filtered sunlight, like a shade of a tree or a bigger plant. In such an area, the humidity is also slightly high, which will work best for Syngonium. Overall, a bright area with high humidity is ideal for Syngonium plant. Another key thing in Syngonium plant care tips is how you water it. Syngonium plant is a rainforest kind of a plant. It likes very moist soil media. Originally, the rainforest area have ground where no matter how much you water, eventually it will go down in the depth of the soil. But for growing Syngonium plant in a pot, watering should be done very carefully. Ideally, it likes a very moist soil, but at the same time, moisture should be draining out. Otherwise, the moisture blockage in the soil will cause the rotting of a Syngonium plant. Whenever you water, water frequently and then don't water at all until the soil is dry again. If it's not drying, no need to water. And yes, spraying water over the plant helps a lot in raising the humidity for some time, and with this plant grow much faster. Here you can also subscribe to our channel. When talking about watering, it totally depends on the soil media of yours. If your Syngonium soil is clayish, never water too much, otherwise the plant will rot. If it's compact, again the moisture won't travel well to the drainage hole. Syngonium plant likes a well-draining and slightly loose soil media to grow in, and making such a mixture is also easy. You can follow a soil recipe from the description below and make a great soil media at home. Another important thing in Syngonium plant care is the fertilizer you use. Syngonium plant is a moderate kind of feeder. Normal fertilization like 1 to 2 times a month is enough. You can use a fertilizer with a lot of nitrogen and some other elements. Simply mix 5 tablespoons of cow dung in 1 tablespoon of rock phosphate to make the most ideal fertilizer for Syngoniums. Both fertilizers are also linked in the description box to buy. Or you can also use liquid cow dung. It's high in nitrogen and works the best to promote a lot of leaves on your Syngonium plants. Video on making cow dung liquid at home is linked in the description box. Feel free to follow. Yellow leaves are very common in Syngoniums. They appear due to several reasons like hard and compact soil, overwatering, less fertilization, sometimes pest attack. But if you care the plant properly, yellow leaves won't appear. In winters, yellow leaves are natural. Just wait and it will catch up. To learn how to grow Syngonium plant from a cutting, you can follow this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.